Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by training your ear and hands together. Start with short clips and write immediately. This builds the habit of capturing key words and grammar. Focus on content words first, nouns, verbs, numbers, and also register function words like articles and prepositions to avoid missing meaning. Once done, check for punctuation and capitalization quickly, then replay if allowed. Make sure to use a good headset and set volume around conversational level so punctuation, pauses, and numbers are audible. You now move into the detailed work of accuracy. Break sentences into short chunks of 4 to 6 words. That reduces memory load and speeds transcription. Predict the next word from context and grammar. This primes your hand and reduces hesitation. When a fragment is unclear, mark it with a symbol so you can finish the rest and return fast. Once done, mentally confirm numbers, dates, and punctuation before final review. This avoids small but costly errors in the exam. You complete the task with a clean, focused review. Read through once to confirm verbs, numbers, punctuation, and capitalization. Fix anything that breaks grammatical sense. If you face uncertainty, favor the version that forms a coherent sentence or a common collocation that often matches the speaker. If audio quality or speed causes trouble, quickly mark doubtful words, keep writing the rest, and maintain timing so you don't miss later items. Troubleshooting tip: when in doubt, choose grammatical clarity over isolated words.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.